Hello and welcome my friend, and next I am planning to show you that how to do emergency repair if we have hole in our car's window. And that's I recommend that we have always in back area, in this back trunk area, we have this 3M's excellent duct tape, and quality matters and 3M is my choice. And let's look at how this hole has been happened in this my car's windshield and how I repaired that defect with my duct tape. And this is like emergency defect, and really if we have hole in our windshield in like that way that something has been hit in here, we need now this 3M's duct tape, and we need to only install these parts together, and then I can install with my duct tape in this area in that way, in this way, and then a little bit more, couple of units in that here and in here. And now we have ready fix for driving. And if we are in like some road, we have still area in here to look in front. But this is like emergency repair if you have hole in your windshield.